if we are going to participate in an election, it must be an election. And we shall not boycott it. Because boycotting it, he will win, like his neighbor here has won 94%. We are not saying that there should be no election. We are saying don't waste our taxpayers' money in a useless election. That's all we are saying. If you want to rule forever for life, declare it openly during the day. This is all we are saying. Declare it and go and rule forever. But don't waste the little money that there is to appear as if you're organizing an election, which is going to bring more bloodshed after. For this business here, so candidates and so on and so forth, it is all illegal. It is all illegal. This tampering with 75 and so years and so on, it is all illegal. And the people of Uganda will say no. But we need to have the capacity. When we say no, what shall we do? This is what we are doing. And provide a time frame. This is why we need to compare notes. Because we do not want to come out individually. We want to come out with what we decide at a given time.